Alrighty, good morning. So, we actually made some money today. We went from, I think this was around 0.5%. A little more than 0.5%. I forget exactly what it was at, but we jumped up to 0.84% for the month. That's awesome. We also made some dividends, but I don't put those in until the end of the month. So yeah, I'll do it. Hello? What the? Okay, is that any better? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, I think it's better now. Okay. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at our scans for today. Alright, I gotta calculate some things first. That's not right. There. That was weird. Okay. I think we're already in on ABC, but let's check. Since we sold a bunch. Yep, we're still on that one, so we can just delete it. UCN, need that to come down further. Right there. Month lows are going to be here. And then I need to calculate this one. Perfect. Some of these we don't have any lines drawn yet, so we gotta make sure our lines are in here. So yeah, that's fine. Casey, I think we just sold this one this morning. Or today, actually. Yes. So I'd like to see it come down a little more before we were to buy back in. I think we're already in on this one. CHRW. At least we should be. Yes. Delete it from the list. Need to wait for that one to come down more. Need it to come down more. Need it to come down more. Need to draw lines on this one. Need it to come down more. Oops. Oh, here, let me see if I can do... I don't want to collapse it. I want to... I want to like pop out the chat so I can put it on this screen, but I don't know if that's possible. So, let's just keep going. DLR, I think we're already in on. Yep, we're already in on that one. We can delete it. DTE, I believe we're also already in on, unless we sold it today. Yep, we're in on that one. Delete. ED. Should already be in on it. Yep. Delete. ESS, need it to come down more. ETN, need it to come down more. Need it to come down more. Need to draw this chart. Oops. There we go. We need that to come down more. I'm gonna light up a little. Too bright. Too bright. There. That's pretty good. Alright, we need that to come down more. We can on here. There we go. We would need this to come down more, but I think we're already in on it. Unless it's sold. It might have actually sold. Nope, we're still in on it. Need to draw this chart. Go. Alright, let's keep going. I'd like to see this one come down a little more first. Same with this one. We should already be in on this one. Okay, unless it's sold. Oh, we're still in on it. Need that to come down more. We just sold this one though. LII. Let's make our chart for it. Actually at its lows for this month, which is cool to see. We could buy right back into it actually. We might as well buy right back into it if we just sold it. So LII. At a better buy price now. Let's get... Wow, that's a lot. 3 shares. Buy. Done. Put this in Discord. Stock price, or stock is LI. Stock price, we bought this at 272.27. There we go. Let's set our sell limit order right away. Okay, limit price is gonna be 275.37. Shares, all 3 shares. Good till canceled. Allow, review, sell. Perfect. Done. Alright, we are now in on LII again. Draw our price level here. Alrighty. Then let's buy this one if we're not already in on it. I think we're already in on it though. Yep, we are. So let's delete that one. Need a mid price here. Perfect. I'd like to see what this one drop a little more first before we were to buy in on it. Looks like we actually need to draw this chart still. This one we'd like to drop a little more before we were to buy in. If we buy in, that is. Alright. There we go. GRC, I think we're already in on this one. No, I think we sold this one actually this morning. Oops. Okay. I can see that one drop more. Same with this one, we need it to drop more. This one we need to draw the chart. Reached lows this morning though. And then came back up a little bit. Or lows for the month, I should say. There we go. NDSN. Are we already in on that? We're not. We already sold it. Yep. Let's go ahead and buy in on this one. Buy 4 shares. And then set our sell limit order as well. we put this at 194.32. There we go. Thanks. Okay. All right. Let me press this. 195.84. Shares. All 4 shares. Good till canceled. Allow. Review. Sell. Good to go. Okay, let's keep going. NDSN can be taken off the list. We have NWE. Let's draw our chart for this one. Our midline. That's really close to that midline there. Huh. Alright, I'd like to see that drop a little more. I'll draw our charts for this one, our lines on this chart, I should say. Midline. Okie dokie. I'd like to see this one come down a bit more. Need to draw the lines for this one. But this one needs to come down more as well. It is on a big red candle, which is good, but we need it to come down even more. Alrighty. Need that one to come down more. Need to draw our lines on this one. Oh, it's a big gap. Okay. This one's on a nice red candle here. Let's see how it's looking on Robinhood. RPM. I could wait for it to come down a little more. So let's wait for a little bit. This one we need to wait on. Come down a bit more, like a lot more. No thanks. Do this drawing set. We need this one to come down more. SPGI. I think we're already in on that one. Yep, we're already in on this one. Let's get rid of it. E, we need to draw this chart. But it'll need to come down a ways yet. Actually at lows for the month. Which is good, but we still need it to come down even more. Go. Need that one to come down more. We need to draw this chart. Yep, I'm gonna call this monthly lows, this candle here. So then, we need to draw our midline, which is probably similar to that. So let's calculate it. Oops. Draw these lines for target. We need target to come down a bit more before we want to consider buying in. There's that one. Oh, big red candle, but we still need to see it come down more. Same with this one. I'd like to see it come down to around this support line here, this white one. And this one as well. I want to see it come down closer to this support line. Let's draw this chart out. Monthly lows right around here. And our midline. Perfect. We need to see this one come down a bit more. Clear drawing set. Draw this chart out. Midline's probably similar to that. Go. Need this one to come down more. Same with this one. And we need to draw this chart. Hey, Con, it's going, it's going. We were able to lock in some profits today, so I'm happy about that. We bought 2 new stocks today as well, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Finding some deals. How are you doing today? Go. We need that one to come down more. Let's see. That's actually the last one on our list for today. So, let's go over to our spreadsheet here. We bought 2 new stocks today. History. Alright, we bought LII. So let's add that to the list. We actually bought that a couple times already. But it's lows, so we bought again. We bought 3 shares at 272.27. 272.27. That's a lot of 2s and 7s right there. And then we bought NDSN. We bought 4 shares at 194.32. Perfect. Make sure that's that, and that these are numbers. Boom. Alright, so Con, we actually went up to 343.51 for this month, and that gives us 0.84 for the month now. Had better days, been a rough one. Uh-oh. Is that like trading-wise or just in general? Line here. Go. Alrighty. That should basically do it for the day, actually. Make sure we didn't sell anything else. Right, buy. Perfect. Then let's make sure our limit orders are set in place. Oh wow, everything's dropping. Dropping hot right now. Holy buckets. General, LOL, trading wise. Oh, sorry, I have my Discord in the way. Trading wise, been decent, couple ups and downs. Nice, not bad, not bad. Unfortunately, I actually think I'm gonna end the stream here today, since we went through our scans, bought what we needed to, entered into our spreadsheet what we needed to, and that will about do it, actually, for today. But thanks for popping in, Con, I really appreciate it. In the meantime, let's go see who else is on. See if we can raid someone quick. If you'd like to join. Looks like Box is still on. Let's go raid Boxy. Thanks for joining in though, everybody. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you all this afternoon with some Phasmophobia gameplay. Otherwise, I will catch you tomorrow morning with some more stock stream stuff. So, have a great day, everyone, and take care.